Today I am going to teach you English subject of 5th standard, Unit 1, poem number 1. What a bird thought. पक्षी काय विचार करतो. I lived first in a little house. मी पहिल्यांदा फक्त एका लहान घरात राहत होतो. And lived there very well. आणि त्या ठिकाणी अगदी चांगला राहत होतो. The world to me was small and round. माझ्यासाठीचं जग अगदी छोटं आणि गोल होतं. And made up of pale blue sail. आणि एका फिकट निळ्या कवचानं बनलेलं. I lived the next in a little nest. मी पुन्हा एका छोट्या घरट्यामध्ये राहिलो. Nor needed any other. दुसऱ्या कशाचीही गरज नव्हती. I thought the world was made up of straw. मी विचार केला एका काटक्याने बनलेल्या जगाचा. And covered by my mother. आणि माझ्या आईनं व्यापलेला. One day I fluttered from the nest. एके दिवशी मी माझ्या घरट्यातून फडफडलो. To see what I could find. काय मला सापडतं हे पाहण्यासाठी. I said, मी म्हणालो, the world is made up of leaves. आणि मी म्हणालो, जग पानांचं बनलेलं आहे. I have been very blind. मी फार आंधळा होतो. At last I flew behind the tree. शेवटी मी झाडाच्या पलीकडे उडालो. And saw the sky so blue. आणि फार निळं असलेलं आकाश पाहिलं. And now how the world is really made. आता जग कसं खरं जग कसं बनलेलं आहे. I cannot tell. Can you tell. मी सांगू शकत नाही. तुम्ही सांगू शकता का. अशा प्रकारे पक्षी विचार करतो स्वतःबद्दल. ही कविता विद्यार्थ्यांनी या पद्धतीनं समजवून त्याचा अर्थ जाणून घ्यावा. Students, now see in the poem there are some rhyming words at the end of second line and fourth line. The words are well and sail. In the second stanza, at the end of second line, word other, and at the end of fourth line, mother. Both are rhyming words. In the third stanza, at the end of second line, the word find, and at the end of fourth line, word blind. Both are rhyming words. In the last stanza, at the end of second line, blue, and at the end of fourth line, you. Both words are rhyming words, blue and you. These are the pairs of rhyming words. You have to find out as yourself. In the first question, find and list the rhyming words from the poem. The second question is for you. Learn and recite the poem. As I taught you the poem, you read the poem and recite it properly. The third question is, describe the following in one or two lines. There are 3 points. The first little house of the bird. In the poem, the house of bird is described small and round house. The house is round and small of the bird. The nest, for the next time, bird lived in the nest made up of straw by his mother. The third point, the word around the bird's nest. The word of around the bird's nest is made up of leaves when the bird saw out of the nest. The fourth question is for you. Imagine the following and write about each in your own words. What the word looks like a baby. Like a bird, word is round, small, leafy, and blue. As a bird, to a baby, word is big and noisy and made up of houses and buildings. The second point, what the word looks like to a fish. As a bird, fish also have a word in a water, deep water, blue water, and bushes at the bottom of the water. As this way, we can learn about the poem, and in the poem described about the bird and his nest or house.